Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to be making some wings and cabbage for dinner tonight, so I decided to record it and share it with you guys. So first I'm going to make the rub. I'm going to be using my spice, which is Spicy Girl. The spice goes back on sale August 28th, which is in less than 2 weeks, so make sure you guys cop that, as well as some brown sugar. Now this spice doesn't need anything, but I like that. I wanted the wings to kind of sort of have that sticky feel to it, so I decided to add some brown sugar. So I'm going to mix about 2 tablespoons of Spicy Girl and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Of course, you guys know I wash my wings. So then you want to add your seasoning mix to your wings and allow it to marinate while I get the cabbage and all the other veggies together. I love my spice so much, you guys, and I can't wait for the people that haven't tried it yet to try it, because it's great. You don't need anything else. It is low in sodium, so you can add salt, or you could just use it as is. Myself, I can't have too much salt, so that's why I didn't add salt to mine, but it is low in sodium. These are the veggies that I'll be using in the cabbage. A lot of people don't like tomatoes in the cabbage. I used everything that I had in my refrigerator, basically, because this is supermarket week. So I'm just getting rid of everything out of my refrigerator that's been sitting there for over like a week or two. So I'm going to chop up my cherry tomatoes just like this. And I'm going to chop up my jalapeno. I'm going to take the seeds out, as well as my onion and my garlic. Don't worry, the jalapenos won't be hot because I did remove all the seeds, and that's where the heat is at, the seeds and the ribs, and I took them out. So it's more so for flavor. You want to chop up your garlic. I actually ended up using the entire bowl of garlic because I love garlic and I wanted that garlic flavor in my cabbage. This is my cabbage right here. I rinsed up the outside of it, and this is just how I chop it up. Of course, you can chop it however you want to. So you want to chop it just like this and take the rib out like I'm doing like that, you know, right on an angle, remove it. And I just thinly slice it. But you can slice your cabbage however you want to slice your cabbage. Just don't slice it too thick, y'all. Some people I be seeing cook their cabbage, it be so thick, like thick. So, but this is how I'm cutting mine today. Now look at God. I done found 2 strips of bacon in the bottom of my drawer thing in my refrigerator, and it was still good. So I'm about to put these 2 strips of bacon in my cabbage, of course. So now that my prep is finally done, now we can cook. I'm going to pop my wings into the oven at 425 degrees for about 20 minutes on each side. So now I'm going to start the cabbage. You want to saute your bacon with some butter, just like this. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, use whatever fat you got. I had bacon and butter, so that's the fat I'll be using. So you want to saute it and get it nice and crisp. Then you want to add the veggies. First of all, as soon as the veggies hit the pan, I cannot. The smell, I wish I had smell-o-vision so y'all could smell the garlic with the jalapeno, the tomatoes, and the onions, and the bacon. I mean, get out of here. Please, get out of here. So now I'm going to rinse up my cabbage because I'm paranoid. You can skip this step, but your girl is paranoid. So I rinsed up the cabbage, and then now I'm just going to drain it. And then I'm going to add it to the pot. Now, when I cook cabbage, I don't add liquid. I don't, because you know, cabbage has its own liquid. So if I add more liquid, it's going to be too watery, and I don't like that. So I just keep the stove on medium-low, cover it, season it. You can season this however you want, by the way. I just use Creole seasoning, bouillon cubes, and some pepper. Mix it up, and I'm just going to cover it on medium-low heat and allow it to cook. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. So after about 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. It was just so perfect and delicious and not cooked halfway to death. You can overcook cabbage. There is such a thing. So this is what it looks like. You see how it's not watery. It's completely dried out because, you know, I didn't add any liquid, and by the time it's done cooking, you know, it's good to go. These are the wings. As you can see, the pan is tore up because of the brown sugar. That's why I added that parchment paper. But the wings are absolutely perfect. So now I'm just going to plate it up. And this is what the cabbage looks like. I'm going to add some wings onto the plate. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope someone give this recipe a try. Don't forget to save the date. My spices and my sauce will be available August 28th through my website. And I hope you guys support. So thank you for your support. Thanks for watching. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, you guys.